Hello, so I got a question on why should you even use Instagram stories. Right now on Grow with Lady, this YouTube channel, I'm going through all the different tricks and tips that you need to know for Instagram and to get it running smoothly, and I got a question asking why should I even use Instagram stories if I'm just posting regular posts. So the regular posts are awesome and don't stop doing that. Keep going with your Instagram posts. Instagram stories are more about community building. And here's an example of how I would use Instagram stories. So if I were a skincare business and I have different products that are great for dry skin, acne, combination, or normal skin, or if there's frequent questions that I get about my products like is it non-GMO or is it all organic or is it all organically sourced, things like that, where you can post about them in individual posts, but every time you post something new, it moves further down. And I'm not going to read every single caption of everything you've posted on Instagram to get a little bit more information about your company. So instead what I would do is make a highlight and call one highlight maybe acne. So any of the products that I post, I can even repost posts from my regular Instagram feed into a story, and we will have a tutorial on that. If it doesn't pop up on the screen now, it'll be in the description box below. And have a highlight just for acne. So if you have a cleanser or a moisturizer or anything else in a facial routine that goes along with acne, put it in one highlight so that when I go through your feed, I can say, oh, I have acne. She says this, and this will work great for me. Maybe I'll check it out. Possibly even write like customer reviews on it and people talking about your products. So that's a great way to use stories. You can add stories just about the behind the scenes of your business. So if you make stickers, for instance, you can show the designing process, the printing process, and the cutting process, even the packaging of your products. And you can add that to your story, and your customer, you don't have to tell them exactly how you make them, but your customer will feel like they've been along the journey with you and they just feel more connected to you, because it's not going to be that perfectly curated feel that we see on Instagram. It'll be more of you and your personality shining through on your stories. So I want to see you grow with your Instagram account. Hashtag grow with lady so I can see what you're doing, because I talk to you all the time, but I really want to see what you're doing too. So hashtag grow with lady on Instagram. And I made some really awesome Instagram highlight covers so that you can have fun colors on your Instagram highlights. Definitely check those out. People pay for this. I said, no. You deserve to have these for free, and click the link below. You'll get taken straight to them. Get them for free. It doesn't cost anything. It's just because I want you to have them.